So hello you guys. For those of you guys who don't know who I am, I know I look horrible today, but I don't care, man. I just wanted to come here and show my face and then tell you exactly what you're looking at on the screen right now. So this is Forex trading. So basically you're looking at a demo account. So this is what you use if you're new in trading, which I'm not, because I've been trading for 3 years. So I've been in and out, make my money, and then disappear and then come back when I'm broke. So that's how I trade Forex. So as you can see right now, I don't live in a fancy apartment, but you know, whenever I need money, whatever I need a car, I just trade and get it, and then that's about it, right? So all right, back to the video, guys. So this is Forex trading, and this is MT4 platform, which is a broker that the trading platform that you use to trade, and you have to have a broker. All right, so I'm using Hugo's Way. If you need the link to that broker, it's down in the description. But as you can see, guys, this is me early trading. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. As you can see, I'm trading GBP, GPY, and GBP AD. And earlier I did made 140 something on the US 30, and I'm still using US 30 right now. So let's go in the chart right now, guys. So this is what I'm looking at. So as you can see, this is a really bad trade, but I'm scalping, so I'm not gonna be in this trade for a lot of time. So as you can see, this trade was entered in like in the 30-minute time frame. So I'm looking at right now is the daily chart. So I want to see where is it going. So I know this is a downtrend, and you will never have to, not never have, but you never buy on the downtrend. So you always sell. So as you can see, the moving average, the blue moving average, the 200 moving average is showing you this is a downtrend. So this is not an uptrend. Therefore, you shouldn't trade, up. So, but I'm scalping, so you guys get the idea. So this is GBP AD, and okay, so I got stop out from my other trade because I did put my take profit and stop loss. So that's the reason why you see GBP, GPY disappear, and this is it. So I made $36 profit, and this is the money I made this morning. So I still have 2 trades to go. So I'm gonna see if I can still make some money with GBP, GPY. So like as you guys can see, I'm scalping right now, guys. So so this is an uptrend. So I'm trying to see, I'm gonna go back to the TradingView and do more analysis and see what is going on with this. And by the way, guys, if you guys new and you want to know how to set up this trading chart you're looking at and everything about MT4, just let me know, and I'll go down and make a video and then show you guys step by step how to put the color, pick the candle and everything, put the moving average and everything you need to know if you're new, if you're watching this video right now. So guys, I think GBP, GPY is still gonna go up. Let me go back. This is TradingView, guys. This is what I use to do my analysis. Yeah. So this thing is still going up. I think it's try to reach this level right here. So let me try to go for a couple. How can you say it? Give me 1 second, guys. Alright. So I think I got the wrong time frame. Let's enter one more position, and then we'll see where that takes us. Give me 1 second, you guys. So what I'm saying is it's probably gonna try to reach up here, and then it's either breakthrough or rejected it. So I'm gonna put this take profit around this area right here, because I'm scalping, guys. I'm in and out. So as you can see, this indicator is showing me this is an uptrend, so we still want to go up. So we'll see if we can get some more juice out of it. So let me set up my take profit. Okay, guys, this is how you make quick money in the market and get out. I'm not gonna be in this for, and then what you do, you gotta go back and look in the past to see where the market has been before. So you're gonna be like, you know what, 162, 1.8, 898. Let's do 898. 898, guys. 898. This is the same thing for this one. So what I'm doing right now is set up like a target profit, how much like where I want to take my profit. It's not how much money, but if you're happy with this amount, then you get out of the trade. So that's basically what I'm doing here. And the stop loss is gonna be in the left side, so you're gonna put a stop loss. So if you say, like, you know what, in this I have a $100 account, so I'm gonna trade points or like a cents. So if I lose 10 cents or $10, I don't want to lose any more than that. So you just put the stop loss, and then whenever you reach that number, and then it's just take you out automatically. It's pretty easy. And again, if you guys want me to explain this to you guys, I'm gonna be posting video, but I just wanted to show my face and show you a little bit. This is not everything, and there's a whole study that goes by it. There's a gotta do an analysis. You gotta look at the graph and see, look at the RSI and all of this. If you guys want to learn about it, I got you, because I went to school for it. I've been trading for 3 or 4 years now, 4 years, because this is 2023. So if you guys need help, just holler at me. So yeah. So right now we seeing, so like you can see, I have stop loss for this one and a take profit. So the down there is the take profit. This is where I want to get at this trade. And if you guys can watch this with me, I'm gonna let this go. This trade take me out automatically, and you guys can see why it is important, and I can teach you how to do this. I want you guys in this, and I'm expecting it to go down here. And for you guys, if you guys really want to make more money, because this pair, you gotta be careful with how you trade it, because this is not like any regular pair. This is a really high volatile pair, so you have to be careful on how you trade it. Even me, I don't even know how to trade it. I have my days with it. Being honest, I have my days with this US 30. If you're new, you're a beginner, don't even think about it. So I think it's gonna try to reach right here, guys, again, and then go back up. So we'll see. If I want, I can take my $46 because I'm happy with it. And you know what? That's what I'm gonna do, man. You can't be greedy. And I know he's gonna get there. So let's look at this one right here. This was not a good trade, but so we're scalping, so we'll see. So I'm gonna pause the video, and then I'm gonna come back when everything is green, guys. And so far, I already made $82, so I'm not really tripping. It's just 8 o'clock, so it's not even It's not even 3 yet, so we still got time. All right.